a lettuce at the same time. Isn't that beautiful? I've got a head of lettuce right in here. Look at that. It's forming for all of them. Isn't that beautiful? Take underneath the lid and you'll see what's going on. Torpedo pot is growing this food and is doing a great job at growing the heads of lettuce. Hey guys, I want to show you something beautiful. These are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in these planters and they can grow your kale. So we've got about 8, 9 plants in there. I don't eat them all at the same time. I just simply put my seeds and my plants in that planter and it grows my food for me. I never ever have to grow my food again. It grows it for me. You can't tell me that's not beautiful. You can't tell me that's not gorgeous. That is absolutely stunning. With the kale growing in the middle of it, oh, that's absolutely beautiful. And every piece is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's growing, it's living, and it's doing a great job. And as you move down, you'll see more lettuce that's growing and living. And it's doing a great job. And they're forming their heads. We put these out during the winter time. And the seeds started to germinate when they first came up, and they did a fantastic job. That's food. That's food, man. You put your seeds in your plants in that planter right there, and you'll never be without lettuce again because it grows it for you. You never have to grow your food again. And you have a ball growing it, man. It's beautiful. Food is beautiful. But you would not know anything about it because, well, the growing methods that you have right now are just killing your plants. They're not helping your plants. I love that kale. Kale's so good. So what I do is that I normally put the lettuce in. I'll eat the lettuce, harvest the lettuce, leave the kale, or get rid of both of them and put in peppers. So I'll have a lettuce party and kale party when they get bigger, and I'll just dispose of them and put in new plants anytime I want to. And that's the power of torpedo pot. You can grow what you want, when you want, how you want, and where you want. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows all of your food for you.